Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today I'm going to teach you guys how you can change your phone number on Etoro. So what you're going to do is guys, just go to Etoro, log in with your account. Then on your left hand side you'll be having the option which says settings. Just go over there and then or on the settings just go on the account option. Now scroll down a bit, then here you'll be having option of the phone to change. In my case I haven't added a phone number, so just go with the option over here which says change like this and just go on, click it, and then over here there you can edit your phone number. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.